Today is a beautiful Saturday and I got a little bit of time before I spend some with the family, so your boy is gonna do a little project that I've been working on. I already started it. I was trying to throw on a second motor and I almost got done, but I was missing a wire. Lectric sent me that wire, so let's go ahead and finish this project. So this is the current state of the XP Lite. I still need to throw on that front hub motor, but I mean, everything is mounted. I need to button it up and make everything look nice. I actually have a controller bag that I want to throw this in. And yeah, hopefully this all works out. Let's see. The first thing I'm gonna do is take off this purple tire and put it onto this hub motor. You ready for some magic? Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Boom, let's go ahead and put it on the bike now. Put this one to the side. You guys remember I had to spread these forks a little bit and I had to remove this brake. But after you do that, you should be able to put the front hub motor on there. All right, that's in there. Now I want to put on some torque arms. All right guys, so the torque arms are installed on the bike. We have one on each side. The next thing I want to do is just plug up everything. I want to confirm if this is going to actually work before I make it look pretty. So let's go ahead and plug in that motor cable. I'm also going to relocate this controller. I was going to mount it in the back of the bike, but the motor cable is not that long, so I'm just going to mount it probably underneath the bike. Hopefully we don't break anything. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. There we go. We got power. It's not the fastest, but we got power. What's up guys, we're at the designated spot about to perform this top speed run. First one's gonna be single throttle. We're gonna be using the stock hub motor. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. So one thing to note is that we did add some extra weight to this bike, so we are a little bit heavier. Let's see, currently going 16, 17, 18. We know that the bike maxes out at 20, and there it is, 20. That is the fastest we're gonna get. All right guys, the next test is gonna be single motor once again, but we're gonna use the front motor this time. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. This is all front motor. Currently going 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 miles per hour. I feel like the front motor is a little bit faster. I don't know the physics behind that, but I feel like we're going a little bit quicker. And there we are, 20 miles per hour. All right guys, the next test is gonna be dual throttle. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, takes off now. Already going 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Woo, that was pretty fast. All right guys, the last test is gonna be dual throttle and pedal assist. We're gonna see how fast we can take off. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that front tire spins out every time. Here we go. Already going 20 miles per hour. What the hell? That's like 3 seconds, guys. Let's go. Yeah, this bike is way quicker now. I wasn't too concerned with the top speed. I just wanted to take off to be a little bit better, and that's exactly what it is. Let's go ahead and take it up a hill now. What's up guys, we're at the designated hill climb test spot, about to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be single throttle, single motor. We're gonna use the stock motor. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. Really slow takeoff. Here we go, 10 miles per hour. I don't even think this bike is gonna make it up this hill. I'm pretty sure when I tested this bike, when I did the review, I had to stop it midway. Let's see. And we have more weight on the bike, so yeah, probably not. Yeah, we're already slowing down. 10, 9, 8. Once we get to 7, we're turning it off. 7, that's it, all right? Didn't even get to the real hill. All right, guys, the next test is gonna be single throttle once again. This time we're gonna be using the front hub motor. I wanna see if that makes a difference. You guys ready? Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. Try not to get hit by this guy, here we go. Super slow takeoff once again. Man, I want to use that second motor so bad, but it's okay. Front only, currently going 14 miles per hour. Let's see if we can make it a little bit further. Slowing down. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. I feel like this is like the same spot, pretty much. Maybe a couple feet closer to the top. All right, guys, next test is gonna be dual throttle, dual motor. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. We should definitely get further up the hill. I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way because these are stock motors, but we do have 2 of them. Let's see. We definitely took off faster. Let's see if we can maintain 20. I doubt it. I think anything over 10 miles per hour is pretty good though. Some 750 watt bikes can't even make it up this hill. And look at us, trucking. 16, 15. Let's go. 14. 14, 13. That's pretty good. That's actually really good. All right, let's go back down the hill, see how fast we can go. Already maxed out at 20. Let's just let gravity do all the work now. Currently going 27, 28. Oh, I'm freaking scared. This bike is so little. 32, 33, 34, 35. Woo! That bike was freaking flying. Oh, I also do have both brakes installed, by the way. I managed to get that front one on, so we're good to go. It's like a extra turbo boost that you get with this bike. That's so tight. I think the next step is making this bike faster, like actually top speed wise. I don't know if I want to go 40 miles per hour on this bike though. I think 30 would be like cool, 35 would be pretty fast, but we'll see, we'll see. I think a 1500 watt or maybe a 2000 watt kit will work great on this bike. Here's a little incline right here. Easily going uphill at 19 miles per hour. Come on now, it's too easy. One thing that I can't really do is hop curves just because we have so much weight on the bike now. So this is definitely gonna be a street cruiser. No more stunts. What's up guys, we're at the dynamic hill climb test spot. About to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be single throttle. It's gonna be the stock motor. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. I already know it's not gonna make it up this hill. I just wanted to prove to you guys that adding a second motor definitely makes a difference. We're only going 5 miles per hour, guys. Come on now. We can do better than that. I'm not gonna even waste your guys' time. All right, guys. Next test is gonna be dual throttle. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Way better. Now we're currently going 9, 10 miles per hour, picking up speed actually. 13, 14. Can we do 20 uphill? Oh my God, 16. I think we might do it. 17. Wow, we are flying up this freaking hill, guys. That's crazy. We were only going 5 miles per hour, guys. Now we're going 17, 18. Oh my God, it's like night and day. All right, let's go back downhill and get my camera, and we're gonna come right back up so I can do the agility test. Here we go. 23, 24, 27, 28, 30. Oh my gosh, we are flying. Woo! 28, 27. We don't have any brakes on this bike, so I'm stopping now. You got me messed up. Something's hot. Something's burning. I can smell it. I think it's the brakes though. Hopefully not the motor. Whew, that would be horrible. All right guys, last and final test is gonna be agility / acceleration test. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Now we don't have the best of brakes, but they should be decent enough to do this course. All right, let's turn around. How's it going? Let's go back around the tree. Yeah, the bike takes off. We are flying, no brakes, slow down. Down the turn, oh, leg is out. Back down the path, cut through the grass. Whoa, whoa, around the freaking circle. All right, let's cut through the sandy, patchy, grassy area. Actually, the grass is looking quite healthy today. Down the path. Oh man, Dave, you gotta get a little bit better. That could have been smoother. We were flying though. Hit the brakes, Dave. The leg is out around the turn. Hit acceleration. Dual motors, final stretch. Let's go. 21 miles per hour is the top speed. Super fun ride today. We got to test out the bike, see if she was faster, and she definitely wasn't faster, but she was quicker, and I'm not mad at it at all. And the bike freaking murdered every single hill we hit today, so I can't complain. Let me know what you think about her. I mean, I think I'm pretty satisfied. I think she looks better than Leticia, to be honest with you. I'm loving the look. She looks super aggressive. Still got the purple on there. And now we have dual motors. Oh my God, life is good.